If you're seeing a Photopea unknown error, don't worry, in this video I'll walk you through the fastest fixes step by step so you can get back to editing without losing your work. This is one of those issues that can happen because of browser conflicts, cached site data, extensions, or even how a file is being opened. The good news is, most of the time, you can fix it in just a few minutes. Before we start, if this tutorial helps you out, please hit the like button and subscribe for more quick software fixes like this. It really helps the channel and it means you won't miss the next tutorial. Alright, let's start with the easiest test first. Open Photopea in an incognito or private browsing window. On Mac, press Command, Shift, and N. On Windows, press Ctrl, Shift, and N. This opens a clean browser session without most extensions and without old cookies or session data getting in the way. Once the private window opens, go to Photopea.com and test whether the unknown error still appears. If Photopea works in incognito mode, that tells you the problem is probably related to your browser setup, such as an extension, stored site data, or a cached session issue. If the error still appears, no problem, we'll move to the next fix. Now let's clear Photopea's temporary site data and autosave snapshots. This is a really important step because stale temporary data stored in your browser can sometimes interfere with how Photopea starts up. Before clearing anything, if you have a project open and you can still access it, save it locally first by going to File, then save as SD. That way, you protect your work before making any browser changes. Next, look at the address bar while you're on Photopea.com. You should see a tune icon or sometimes a lock icon depending on your browser. Click that icon, then choose Site Settings or Cookies and Site Data, and then select Clear Data. This removes local temporary data connected to Photopea, including corrupted autosave snapshots that may be causing the error. After clearing the data, refresh Photopea and test it again. In many cases, that alone is enough to fix the issue. If the error is still there, the next thing to check is your browser extensions, especially ad blockers, privacy tools, script blockers, or any browser add-ons that modify website behavior. These can interfere with Photopea's scripts or prevent it from clearing and rebuilding its temporary backup buffers correctly. To test this, click your extension icons in the browser toolbar and temporarily disable anything that might affect site scripts or tracking protection. If you use an ad blocker, disable it for Photopea.com specifically. If you have privacy enhancers or security tools running in the browser, turn those off for the test as well. Then reload the tab and see whether Photopea opens normally. If that solves the problem, you've found the cause. You can re-enable your extensions one by one later to see which one was responsible. Next, let's force a hard cache refresh. Sometimes the browser is holding on to outdated JavaScript or runtime files, and Photopea keeps loading a broken version from cache instead of fetching fresh files from the server. A hard refresh forces the browser to download clean copies of the site files. On Mac, press Command, Shift, and R. On Windows, press Ctrl and F5. After that, wait for Photopea to reload completely and check whether the unknown error is gone. This is a simple step, but it's surprisingly effective when the problem is caused by a stale browser cache. Now let's look at file-related issues. If the error happens when you drag and drop a file into Photopea, the problem may be related to temporary memory allocation, especially with larger files. In that case, try using File, then Open, instead of dragging and dropping the file directly. If you're working with a large PSD file, you may also want to flatten some layers or test with a smaller image first. That can reduce memory pressure and help Photopea initialize properly. Sometimes a big file can push the workspace too hard during startup, which may trigger the unknown error. So to recap, the best order to fix this is test in incognito mode, clear Photopea site data, disable extensions and ad blockers, hard refresh the page, and if needed, open your file through the file menu instead of drag and drop. If one of these steps fixed your issue, let me know in the comments which one worked for you. And if you want more clear, step-by-step software tutorials just like this, make sure to subscribe and turn on notifications. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.